The Shark Cordless Stick Vacuum is Shark's offering to the handheld upright hybrid, a vacuum cleaner than so many people think of when they think cordless. In this review, we'll go through the various model variants available from Shark. Unfortunately, Shark's offering isn't straightforward. They have a few different models available, and they all have very unflattering names. Our aim here is to cut through the noise, give you the key facts about each variant of vacuum, and then our recommendation for the best model to go for. Performance overall for the Shark is good. Better suction and pickup than other vacuums at this price point. After a few uses, carpets in particular are noticeably cleaner than other brands. There are 3 power settings: off, bare floor, carpet. Pretty clear what each is for. But interestingly, it's a different take to power settings than most cordless vacuums, who tend to opt for a normal mode and a turbo mode. Shark's way of doing things can be better or worse for you depending on the layout of your home. We have a mixture of hard floors, carpeted rooms, and high-pile rugs. So we spent a lot of time in the carpet setting. This had a noticeable impact on battery life, but also led to cleaner floors. The powered brush bar is very good. The combination of traditional brush bar and roller worked well, but after a bit of use you do need to clean it, especially the roller. Design and features. The Shark comes into its own with its design and features. The first thing you notice when you start using it is the flexible neck. It's a solid nice with a flexible hinge section. It quickly becomes apparent what this is used for when you encounter a table, chair, or legged sofa. The Shark Cordless Stick bends to allow the roller head to reach exactly where it needs to. Flexology flexible neck. It's interesting when you compare the Shark to a Dyson, whose original sphere design on their uprights was revolutionary. The hinged areas on the Shark are totally different to Dyson's, but it makes quite a big difference when trying to reach certain areas. Flat head and brush bar. The vacuum head, the part that comes into contact with the floor, is wide, flat, and deep. It has a beveled front shape to get the front of the vacuum underneath any objects that might get in the way. The brush bar on the vacuum has 2 parts to it: a traditional brush bar and a fur roller. Both spin when the vacuum is on. The bristles of the brush work with the roller to dislodge dirt from both the ground that is being cleaned but also from itself. Without the brush bar, the roller would become full of dirty, and without the roller, the brush bar would get tangled. It actually works really well. Folding away. The Shark has a hinge halfway up the neck to allow it to be folded up for storage. This may not seem like much, but there are very few cordless vacuums that can be stored in this way. Take Dyson's as an example. They all come with a bracket as they're designed to be hung on a wall. That's all well and good, but most people don't have somewhere to hang their vacuum, nor do they particularly want to fasten them to a wall. Headlights. The Shark cordless range all have headlights on the front of the head unit. I personally love a vacuum with this feature. It serves 2 distinct purposes. You can see in dark places, such as under the sofa, to ensure they are clean. It highlights dirt and dust that needs to be cleaned by forcing it to cast a shadow. Weight. All of the Shark cordless stick vacuums weigh in at 4. That's quite a bit heavier than alternatives on the market. For a direct comparison, the Dyson Bait weighs roughly 2.6, and the Bosch Athlete 3. The Athlete in particular, although slightly heavier than the Dyson, distributes its weight well due to its design, something the Shark doesn't do. Maneuverability. We've covered how easy the Shark is to move about due to its flexible neck. We've also covered its weight. Those 2 things are at odds with each other in terms of maneuverability. Is the Shark cordless stick vacuum maneuverable? Yes, very much so. Is it the easiest to carry around the house? No, it's larger and heavier than other brands' vacuums. Battery life. Time to talk battery life, something extremely important to anyone buying a cordless vacuum. Officially, the Shark cordless stick vacuum boasts up to 40 minutes run time. We are going to end this video right away. If you have any query or information to share, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching.